intricate world of law, ensuring justice and fairness is paramount. Welcome to our exploration of trial transfers under Section 406 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. This process is vital for maintaining impartiality when a fair trial is jeopardized due to jurisdictional challenges. By transferring trials between states, we uphold the integrity of the judicial system. This segment introduces the importance of such transfers, setting the stage for understanding how legal provisions in the Supreme Court play pivotal roles in this complex procedure. As we delve deeper, you'll discover how these mechanisms safeguard justice across state lines. Stay with us as we unravel the intricacies of trial transfers and their impact on justice. Welcome to our exploration of Section 406 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, a pivotal provision in the Indian judicial landscape. This section facilitates the transfer of criminal trials between states, essential for maintaining impartiality and justice. At its core, Section 406 empowers the Supreme Court to authorize such transfers when necessary. This provision ensures trials remain fair, especially where local prejudices might hinder justice. Understanding Section 406 requires delving into its legal context. It acts as a safeguard against bias, ensuring defendants receive a fair trial irrespective of geography. The framework established by Section 406 allows the judiciary to mitigate challenges posed by jurisdictional limitations. As we continue, we'll explore the criteria guiding these transfers, highlighting the judiciary's role in upholding justice. In the intricate world of legal proceedings, transferring a criminal trial between states is not a decision taken lightly. Under Section 406 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, specific criteria must be met to justify such a move. The judiciary carefully evaluates the conditions under which a transfer is necessary. Key factors include ensuring impartiality, safeguarding witnesses, and preserving the integrity of the judicial process. This segment delves into the nuanced criteria guiding these decisions, emphasizing fairness and necessity in judicial considerations. As we explore further, we'll see how these criteria apply in real-world scenarios, ensuring justice is not only done, but seen to be done. Next, we'll examine the Supreme Court's pivotal role in facilitating these transfers. In India's judiciary, the Supreme Court stands as the ultimate arbiter in transferring criminal trials, ensuring justice transcends state boundaries. The authority vested in the Supreme Court under Section 406 of the CrPC is a cornerstone of justice. Through its decisions, the Supreme Court navigates complex scenarios where trial impartiality might be at stake. Consider cases where a trial's location could influence its outcome due to local biases. In such instances, the Supreme Court intervenes, weighing factors like public interest and fair trial rights to determine if a transfer is warranted. For example, in the landmark case of XYZ versus ABC, the court's decision to transfer the trial was driven by concerns over local influence and potential miscarriage of justice. This case exemplifies the court's critical role in safeguarding justice when state jurisdictions pose barriers. By examining these precedents, we see the court's profound impact on ensuring trials remain unbiased and equitable. As we delve deeper into how these decisions shape legal proceedings, it's clear that the Supreme Court fortifies the principles of justice. As we delve into the implications of trial transfers, we uncover a pivotal aspect of justice. Transferring trials is not just procedural, it profoundly influences legal outcomes and the broader justice system. When a trial moves from one state to another, it balances jurisdiction and fairness, impacting legal proceedings significantly. Public confidence in the judiciary hinges on such decisions, underscoring their critical importance. Real-world examples vividly illustrate this impact. Transferred cases often highlight complexities and challenges involved. When a trial is moved to ensure impartiality, it reflects the judiciary's commitment to justice, even when faced with geographical boundaries. The outcomes of these transferred cases set precedents, shaping future legal discourse and practice. They remind us that the justice system is dynamic, constantly evolving to meet demands of fairness and equity. In essence, trial transfers under Section 406 of the CrPC are about ensuring justice is guided by principles of fairness and integrity, not bound by borders. As we conclude, let's revisit the essential themes of our discussion. The transfer of trials under Section 406 of the Code of Criminal Procedure stands as a pillar of justice and fairness within the Indian legal system. We've explored how the Supreme Court's role is pivotal in ensuring jurisdictional complexities do not overshadow the quest for justice. This process underscores the importance of a fair trial, a cornerstone of our judicial framework. Throughout this video, we've examined the criteria for trial transfers, the Supreme Court's authoritative insights, and the real-world implications of such legal maneuvers. These elements highlight the judiciary's commitment to maintaining impartiality across state lines. Our journey doesn't end here. The landscape of legal provisions is vast and intricate, with each case presenting unique challenges and learnings. We invite you to delve deeper into these topics, broadening your understanding of the complexities that shape Indian legal proceedings. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of justice in motion. Stay curious and continue to engage with the evolving narrative of law and fairness. Until next time, remember that every trial transfer is a step toward justice.